To meet political needs of the Muslim of India, it was decided the annual meeting of the Mohammedan Educational Conference at Dhaka in 1906. ये आगे आ रहा है ये आगे So, Mohammedan Education Conference in 1906 at Dhaka, it was decided that the Muslim should be political party of the Muslim should be established. So, All India Muslim League was established on 30th December 1906. All India Muslim League established on 30th December 1906 at Dhaka. Dhaka is a place of East Pakistan, the capital of East Pakistan, Dhaka, the place. So the founders of the Muslim League, though what was the person who was the founder of the Muslim League. So Nawab Salimullah, Nawab Salimullah Khan, Nawab Salimullah Khan, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, Hakim Ajmal Khan, Nawab Wakarul Mulk, Sir Aga Khan, Sayyid Amir Ali, and Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar were the founders of the Muslim League. They were the founders members of the Muslim League. Sir Aga Khan was elected as president of the party. Aga Khan elected as the president of the party. So Sayyid Amir Ali was made the president of London branch. So it was at that time in India, there's also India branch, it is called London branch, because the whole politics was surrounded with India and London. So Sayyid Amir Ali, he was made the branch of London. eh, So head of at that time the head of all India Muslim League was decided in Aligarh. So you see, the Aligarh was the main point, main source of all the political activities. So at that time, the Aligarh was placed as the head office was of all India Muslim League was established at Aligarh. So the first annual session of Muslim League was held in Karachi. First annual session of Muslim League was held in Karachi in 1907. 1907, 1907 in Karachi, the first annual session was held. And what were the causes of the establishment of the Muslim League? So what were the causes? Why we need Muslim League? So to make the causes, we study the problem of that time and the reasons of Muslims. They wanted that there should be another political party, a separate political party should be made for the Muslims. So the establishment of so Indian National Congress. So Indian National Congress was founded in 1885 by elective of Hume. So Indian National Congress was founded in 1885 by elective of Hume for the solution of the problem of the Indians. So this party was made National Congress for the solution of the problem of the Indians. So Indians, the Hindus are also the Muslims are same, but the time had decided that Hindus became separate and Indian National Congress it became only the political party of the Hindus. They served only the cause cause of the Hindus. So this thing was damaged by the Muslims and Hindus. They have hijacked the party, and so this was the reason that the Muslims, they were compelled, they were forced to form a separate political party. So this was the reason, the need of All India Muslim League. This was the reason that Indian Muslims, they made Indian Muslim League due to this reason. The Indian National Congress did not fulfill the rights of the Indian people. So Musliman was very disturbed. So the Muslims, they have decided to make a separate party, All India Muslim League. Then there was communalism after the War of Independence, 1857. After the War of Independence, 1857, there were riots, corrupted riots in subcontinent. The Hindus, they were they were against the Muslims. The Hindus, they have killed the Muslims. The Hindus, they have slaughtered the Muslims. The Hindus, they have looted the Muslims. Their the houses were uh, set on fire. Hindus set on fire the houses of the Hindus. So these riots, these communal riots, this was the prejudice of the Hindus. They were don't want to live with the Muslim. It is the prejudice of the Hindus that they don't want to live with Hindus. So this thing forced the Muslims that they should made another party. Then there was a also important reason that the Hindus made an extremist o- organization. Hindus made an extremist organization like Sangathan, Shuddhi, Arya Samaj, Hindu Mahasabha. So these organizations were extremist and they were anti-Muslims. These organizations were anti-Muslims. So the Muslims of India, they thought that we are not safe. We are not safe in this condition. So due to these organization, so what was the purpose of the organization of Sangathan Shuddhi, but we Shuddhi to purify the land of India from the Muslims. Just imagine their prejudice of their hatredness towards Hindu. So Shuddhi that they the Hindus wanted the Muslims should be go back. The Muslims should leave this place. Either they become Hindu, the Muslim either become Hindu or they should leave the place. So Shuddhi means to purify the Hindu Muslims to become Hindus. So Hindu Mahasabha, is also of that purpose. To these all organizations, main purpose of all organization was to hatredness against the Muslims. So in this condition, the Muslims, they were very unsafe. They were very scared of their life and their property. So this was the reason of deciding to make the All India Muslim League. Then there was also another important factor to place the partition of Bengal. At that time, the Mughal was united. So, their safety, their, I mean, for their, I mean, for their for welfare of the Muslims. So, this partition Bengal was made by the British, by the अंग्रेजों ने इस बंगाल को तकसीम कर दिया दो हिस्सों में ताकि जो दूर दराज के जो लोग हैं वो उन्हें एक जगह ना आना पड़े. सो दोनों हिस्से अलग कर दिए और इसमें مسلمانوں کی سہولت تھی. The Muslims face very, I mean, will get facilitation and to do their work, do their business. They wanted to go to courts. They wanted to go to their I mean rights. Their I mean مقدمے ہوتے تھے. ان مقدموں کے حل کے لیے انہیں دور دراز جانا پڑتا تھا. تو یہ ان کی سہولت کے لیے تھا کہ وہ جو ہے نا مسلمان جو ہے نا ولادہ صوبہ بنا دے بنگال میں, اور جو ہے نا وہ ہندو جو ہے نا پلس وہ بنا دیں. تو یہ کوئی مقصد نہیں تھا, صرف مسلمانوں کو کی سہولت کے لیے تھی. لیکن ہندو اتنے پریجڈس تھے, ہندو واز سو پریجڈس, دے ڈونٹ وانٹ ٹو ایکسیپٹ this partition, and they said no, we don't want this partition, we don't accept this partition, this partition is against our wishes. So they made movement that the partition of Bengal should be annulled, should be cancelled. So due to this process, the Muslims were I mean they were disturbed. They faced many problems. So this was you see the prejudice, the hatredness of the Hindus. They don't want to give an, a normal facility to the Muslims. So this was also the reason that they made their separate Indian Muslim League. Then another event, Urdu Hindu controversy, 1867. In 1867, the Urdu Hindi controversy became. The Hindus said that the Hindi should be the national language of India, and Urdu should not be the language of the India. حالانکہ جو اردو تھی وہ جو ہے نا پورے جو ہے نا آج انڈیا کی زبان تھی. اس میں کوئی بات نہیں تھی کہ وہ جو ہے کہ وہ جو ہے مسلمان تھے یا ہندو تھے. وہ جو تھی وہ جو زبان تھی وہ دونوں کے لیے تھی, دونوں کی صورت کے لیے تھی. کوئی اردو زبان کا مطلب یہ ہے لشکری زبان. تو یہ اردو زبان جو تھی وہ کوئی نہیں, کوئی وسیع بنیاد نہیں تھی. اردو زبان کی کوئی بنیاد نہیں تھی. اردو زبان اس لیے یہ مسلمانوں کے لیے ہے. لیکن بٹ ہندو سو پیجڈس, انہیں تعصب بھرا ہوا تھا کہ وہ اس چیز کو بھی برداشت نہیں کر سکے, اور انہوں نے جو ہے نا اس کے خلاف تحریک چلانی شروع کر دی. یہ جو ہے یہ اردو ہندی جو ہے نا وہ ختم کی جائے, اور ہندی should be proclaimed as a national language. So in this thing, the Urdu Defense Council was made. So Muslims, they made a defense council for the Urdu language and culture. So the culture and language of the Muslims were in danger due to this reason. So this was also the reason, the motive of making the All India Muslim League. So the Muslims think about that in India, our culture is not safe, our language is not safe, our property is not safe, our rights are not safe. How we can to go there? So this was the reason to make the Indian Muslim League for this purpose. So political reforms. So in the start of the 20th century, the Liberal Party in England won the election in England and announced the implementation of certain political reforms. So Liberal Party was a democratic party. So Liberal Party decided that there should be reform in subcontinent, and Muslims should be given their due right. The Muslims should be given their genuine rights. The Muslims should not be crushed. The Muslim rights should not be crushed. So these rights were given to them. So I mean the chances of regulation, Turkey institution were the opportunity for the Muslim. So these things made this opportunity, the opportunity that Muslim of the political party to protect their representation. So due to this reason, the Muslims of India they have the opportunity that they should establish a separate political party, Indian Muslim League, for the right to avail this opportunity. And Shimla deputation. There comes Shimla deputation, a deputation of Muslim leaders called on Lord Minto, the Viceroy, on 1st October 1906 at Shimla. So a deputation of the Muslim leader, they called with the Viceroy of India in 1906 at Shimla. Sarah Khan, at that time, he was the president of Sarah Khan, the head of the deputation. So Sarah Khan leads this deputation. So presided a memorandum and requested for basic political, economic, cultural, other rights for the Muslim. So Aga Khan made a deputation, representation, made representation to the Viceroy that Muslims political, economic, and culture rights should be given. They should be safeguarded. So we are not Hindus should not usurp our rights. The Hindus should not capture our rights. So they have put these demands. Sarah made to demand to the Viceroy, and Viceroy was introduced. The Viceroy accepted this demand. One of the important demands was to introduce a system of separate electorate. So this was the main demand. There should be separate electorate. What is separate electorate? Separate electorate means the Muslims should cast their vote for their Muslim members, and the Hindus should cast their vote for the Hindu members. So there not be, a joint electorate. So it was present joint electorate that the Hindu and Muslim they can both cast their vote joint electorate, but the Muslim they demanded that we will not give their due rights. So separate electorate should be made, and this demand was made by the Viceroy. So on the way back to the members of deputation, so कि शिमला से वापस आते हुए जो है ना फिर इन्होंने जो है ना मुस्लिम पोलिटिकल पार्टी जो चीज़ थी वो उसको एहसास दिलाया फिर और आखिर में ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग वाज इमर्ज और नथिंग ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग जो थी ना वो कायम होगी फिर. So problems of the slaughter of cow. So there is another problem, slaughter of cow. Cow means the guy, cow guy. So the Hindu they consider they think the cow is sacred animal. Cow is sacred animal. So this idea was not matched with the Muslims. The Muslims throughout the year slaughter the cow, slaughter the guy. So especially ईद उल अजहा के दौरान मुसलमान जो हैं हर साल ईद कुर्बान पर गाय को ज़िबा करते हैं अपनी जो है ना वो इस्लाम की रस्म अदा करने के लिए सुन्नत जो है ना वो इब्राहिमी अदा करने के लिए गाय को ज़िबा करते हैं. लेकिन हिंदुओं ने इस पर पाबंदी लगा दी, लगा दी कोई मुसलमान जो है वो गाय ज़िबा नहीं कर सकता और इस चीज़ को जो है ना वो जो है ना मसला यानी कि बन गया कोई उनके लिए कोई. और एंड in 1883 the Hindu organization Arya Samaj Hindu organization Arya Samaj. In 1883, Hindu organization Arya Samaj, they established Gau Raksha Sabhi. Gau Raksha Sabhi. Gau means guy, buffalo. Gau means buffalo, guy. Raksha means to protect, for safety. So Sabhi mean association. So they made association that we will protect, will save the cow, will save the guy, and and the Muslims should not be slaughtered them. And just imagine, due to this reason, thousands of the Muslims were martyred. हजारों मुसलमानों को कत्ल कर दिया गया हिंदुओं ने इस वजह से कि वो जो है ना गाय को क्यों ज़िबा करते थे, गाय को क्यों जो है ना ज़िबा करते थे। ये चीज़ थी, ये भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक मसला था मुसलमानों की सिक्योरिटी के लिए। एक वो अपनी जो है रज़म जो है ना वो भी अदा नहीं कर सकते थे। नहीं, सर सर Aga Khan led the deputation. Question of Qasim. So Aga Khan made the president of All India Muslim League. So he made a deputation. Aga Khan led the deputation. Deputation means वफद। वफद क्या था, वो वाइस राय इंडिया के वाइस राय से वो मिला जाकर के सर आगा खां मुसलमान लीडर था। he was Muslim leader at that time. As I just told you earlier, he was president of All India Muslim League. So, due to this capacity, due to president of All India Muslim League, he met with the Viceroy of India, and this and to make this problem to India, make this problem that we are facing this thing. So we wanted to separate trade. We wanted, I would say, rights of the Muslim wanted safeguard their rights. So I will clear the point. Qasim raised the point. So Aga Khan was Muslim leader. So he led the deputation, met the Viceroy, and made the demands for the Viceroy for the rights of the Muslims. So due to these rights, as I told you earlier, they made the separate electorate. He made their demand that there should be separate electorate for the Muslims, for the Muslims of the India. Shall we start further? I mean, no. So, so you see, in 1883, the Indian Organization Arya Samaj established Gau Raksha Sabhi. This organization banned slaughter of the martyr of the Muslim due to this issue. So this was the man killed the Muslim due to this issue. Just imagine, to make the safe of the animal, they killed the people. What was the cruelty of the Hindus? To save the animal, they killed the Muslims. So this was also the reason that Muslims should, they wanted the another political party. So attitude of the British people. So after the War of Independence, the attitude of British was totally changed. After the war, they introduced the attitude of the British. They were changed, totally changed. They deprived Muslims politically, economically, and socially. So the British ruler, they deprived the Muslim economically, socially, and politically. So this thing was also very disturbing for the Muslims. So The Muslims were tortured. The British government, they have tortured the Muslims. They have, give torture. Give the life was very miserable during this period. Again, again, Hindu also associated with the British and this issue, and Hindus they were associated with this issue with the British. Hindus supported the British. The Muslims should be not given the rights, and the Muslims should not given the rights of self democratic, politically, socially. So Hindu exploited the situation, and they have they put the pressure on the British government. They don't give any support, any facility to the Muslims of India. So this thing was also very disturbing. This thing was also forced the Muslims have their own political party. This was also reason of All India Muslim League. The objective of Indian Muslim League. What was the objective? What was the objective of to making this Indian Muslim League? Number one, to create the understanding between government and the Indian Muslims. So it was the objective that to create understanding between Muslims and the British government, make understand, to make cordial relation. It was the need of the, it was the main objective of the Indian Muslim League. Being a Muslim League party, they made that the Muslims should have a good relation with the British government, with the British people. This was the objective to promote the feeling of loyalty among them. So this was the main purpose of the Indian Muslim League, that promote feeling loyalty, that the Muslims should be loyal to the British government. So they think they should understand that the Muslims of India, they are loyal with the British government. They are not against with the Muslim. They were not against with the British people. So the Muslims are have a cordial relation with the British government to coordinate with other nations and political parties for general welfare of the people. So it was also the objective of the Indian Muslim League that they may coordinate relation with other nations. It was the objective of the Indian Muslim League. It may have coordination with other nations, have good relation with other nations. Other nations means the Hindus, the Christians, the other communities. So Indian Muslim League was a liberal party. So Indian Muslim League was not against any other, communal, any hatredness against any communal feeling. So it was the main thing that the Muslims are not against anyone. Muslims were against Iman. Muslims were India have good relation with all the nations. So this was the objective of the All India Muslim League, that they have good relation with all the other nations. A general welfare of the people. So Indian Muslim League coordinate with other parties, and they will have a atmosphere where the general welfare of the people, general welfare of the subcontinent. It means not only the Muslims should have their welfare, the Christian has welfare, the Hindus have welfare, the Sikh have welfare, the Parsis have welfare. All these nations gave safety, and the Parsis, the Sikhs, the Hindus, the Christians, the Muslims, they also live cordial relation, and the welfare should not for any specific one. The welfare is all the nation. So it was the objective of the Indian Muslim League. They all the nations have give their welfare. All the nations give welfare, and so it was the objective of the Indian Muslim League. So this was also the main feature of the Indian Muslim League to protect the rights of the Muslim League, Indian Muslims. So it was the objective of the Indian Muslim League to safeguard the rights of the Indian Muslim. So तो इंडियन मुस्लिम लीग जो थी उसका मकसद ये था कि तमाम मुसलमानों को उनके हकूक़ मिले, तमाम मुसलमान जो है वो अपने उनके हकूक़ मिले, हर मुसलमान को अपना हक मिले, हर मुसलमान को जो हक मिले, कोई मुसलमान जो है ना कोई जुल्म ना हो, किसी मुसलमान पर ज्यादती ना हो, अपने राइट्स के लिए ये फाइट करें। तो ये मकसद था, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव था इंडियन मुस्लिम लीग की क़याम का। Interact the government and the political party. So it was to interact with the government. It was the objective of the, it was the motive of the Indian Muslim League that they have good relation not only with the government, but they have good relation with other nations. You see, not only with the British, they have good relation with other nations, the Christians, the Hindus, the Sikh, the Parsi, they have good relation with other nations. So, amendments in the Constitution. So, in 1913, two amendments were made in the preliminary objectives of the Muslim League. So, in 1913, Indian Muslim League made two, there's amendments, objective of the Muslim League. So, they made the two amendments for the achievement of the objective of Muslim League, achievement of the self-government suitable to the circumstances of the subcontinent. So achievement of the self government, हुकूमत खुद मुख्तारी हो। मुस्लिम लीग का ये असूल था कि हमें ऐसी खुद मुख्तार हुकूमत हो जिसमें हम अपने हकूक़ को सेफ गार्ड सकेंगे। We should make that the Muslims should safeguard their right in that government, in that self-government suitable for the circumstance of subcontinent, सबकॉन्टिनेंट के हालात के मुताबिक चले, सबकॉन्टिनेंट के मुताबिक चले और मुसलमानों को उनके पूरे हकूक़ मिलें, मुसलमानों पर कोई ज्यादती ना हो। ये उन्होंने इसमें अमेंडमेंट की, इसमें उन्होंने इस चीज़ को जो है ना वो मुद्दा शामिल किया। तो early achievement of Muslim League, of the establishment Muslim League, represented Muslim of the subcontinent. So when the Muslim League was made, so it became the whole of the India, spread all of India, the whole of India of the subcontinent. The Muslims should came under the banner of All India Muslim League. The whole it was great achievement, great thing that all the Muslims come under the banner of Indian Muslim League. It raised the pressure of the government to demands of the similar deputation. So this made all Indian Muslim League put pressure that was demanded in in similar deputation, they should be given to them. So they have full pressure on them. The right should be given to the Muslims. So All India League met with the early success. The government accepted the demand of self-electorate in 1909. So this was the achievement. The British government accepted the right to the first amendment. The first amendment means that there should be separate electorate. There should be separate electorate amendment that the Muslims should give their right, they vote for the Muslims. So they made this amendment. They have the self-government, the self-government. Self-government, we have self-government. We have a, having this government, we have a own government, self-government. They should be, Muslims should vote there for the Muslims. So Hindus should vote for the Hindus. The Muslims should vote for the Muslims. This amendment means that there will be separate electorate. This thing, this is 1907. This separate electorate was at last came in the creation of 1947 for the Pakistan. This demand was accepted after that time. So, in 1909, the British government accepted this amendment, accepted this demand. Clear the point? Clear the point? So, this was demand. Then come in 1916. In 1916, Muslim League signed a pact with the Indian National Congress and got significant concession for the Muslims. In 1906, the Muslim League had made pact with Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress, another political party, Indian Muslim League, another political party. So, Indian Muslim League and Indian National Congress in 1916 made a pact that we should give unitedly, we should work unitedly for the welfare of the India. So we should not have any attendance, we should not have any grievances among the Hindus and the Muslims. So we should unitedly collaborate unitedly, I mean, with the struggle and acted with the rights of the Indians. So in 1916, so this thing was important. In 1969, the Musliman in the Lucknow Pact, under the leadership of Sir Aga Khan, Wakar Nawab, and Qadi Azam. Sovereignty Muslim League under the leadership of Sir Aga Khan and Wakarul Mulk and Qaidi Azam. So they worked under his leadership and made their separate homeland and made this separate land for Muslims. So they struggled unitedly, they struggled jointly to made their struggle for this separate homeland for the Muslims. The Muslims succeeded for the upgradation of Aligarh College as Muslim Aligarh University. Then the Muslim All India Muslim League, they have struggled and made the Aligarh College, Aligarh College, make the Aligarh University in 1920. In 1920, All India Muslim League struggled and made this college as a Aligarh University, Aligarh Muslim University. So this thing is also very important that this Aligarh College became the Muslim University of 1920. So in 1920, the Muslim League and student of this university, they spread all over the India. So it spread all over India and made the the slogan of India or slogan of Pakistan. They made of slogan of Ban ke rahega Pakistan. So they chanted this slogan every street, every village, every city of the India. Means all India Muslim League student wing, Aligarh Muslim University in 1920. the student of, I mean, in always, you see, in always, there is students of universities, they made an important role for of any political struggle. So this, I mean, during this struggle, the Indian Muslim League's student wing, the student of Aligarh University, was made in 1920. So they made the slogan from Kashmir to Karachi, Karachi to Peshawar, and they said that we will make Pakistan. So ये रावत दस्ता थे, ये जो थी मुस्लिम जो थी वो जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थी, ये रावत दस्ता था, स्वार्डी मुस्लिम लीग पॉलिटिकल पार्टी थी, और ये जो थी ये स्टूडेंट तबका था उनका, ये स्टूडेंट विंग था उनका, जो थे यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट थे, उन्होंने जो है ना वो रोल अदा किया, और उन्होंने जो है फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता स्टिल करते करते इस मुकाम पहुँचे, उन्होंने आज़ादी की जंग को बढ़ाया कोई. So in 1930, All India Muslim League gave the concept of separate state for the Muslims. So All India Muslim League in 1930 session, 1937 session, All India Muslim League had in the at the platform, they made this idea that there should be a separate homeland for the Muslims of India. So you see, this political party, Indian Muslim League, came into 1906. Then gradually made this demand slowly, and then in 1930, this Muslim League, they made in session of political session, they made that there should be a separate homeland for the Muslims of India. So we will not live with the Hindus. So we will not live with Hindus. We will have their own political rights. So Indian Muslim League on its platform made this promulgated this idea and spread this idea that we have separate nation, we have a separate culture. So it was the role of the Indian Muslim League, which was important that thing that they consider that the Muslims are a different nation, Muslims are separate nation, the Muslims are not amalgamated, not with Hindus. मुसलमान लदा कौम है. ये इंडियन मुस्लिम लीग की कामयाबी थी, ये इंडियन मुस्लिम लीग की स्ट्रगल थी, इंडियन मुस्लिम लीग की जद्दोजहद थी कि उन्होंने अंग्रेज़ों को, उन्होंने बरतानी साम्राज्य में, इंग्लैंड में, पूरी दुनिया में उन्होंने इस चीज़ को एहसास दिला दिया सबको, अंग्रेज़ों को, ये जो है हम जो है ना वो अलहदा कौम है. इसलिए जो है ना उसी सूरत हाल में उस वक़्त जब 1933 में जो है ना चौधरी रहमत लाई was he was at that time in England. So a round table conference in 1933, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali promulgated the idea that now or never, we will now or never, we will make this Pakistan. So Chaudhry Rahmat Ali made this name of Pakistan. Rahmat Ali, he gave the name of Pakistan. So Pakistan was given the name by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. So Pakistan, P for Punjab, NWFP, I mean for Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So all the areas come with Pakistan, Punjab, Sindh, Sarhad, Balochistan, all the nation should come and they make a United Nation. So he was, so the Ahmad Ali, credit goes to the Ahmad Ali. He gave the idea of Pakistan nation. So this struggle was going on. I mean, and the struggle was slowly like this. And and this struggle was reached that in 1947 All India Muslim League made separate homeland. Due to their struggle, the Indian Muslim League struggle of Indian Muslim League, the Pakistan came into being. So it was the struggle of the political party, the struggle of the political party who faced the difficulty to save with the Hindus, to save with the Britishers, and their hatredness, their jealousy, and they never surrendered. So under the guide leadership of Qaid Azam and of leadership of the Indian Muslim League. So this credit goes to Indian Muslim League. If there is not any Muslim League, any particular party, so this struggle could not be achieved. So credit goes to Indian Muslim League. So you just see now, now at that time, even that time, this Muslim League, he celebrated, yeah, just, I mean, 2 or 3 months back, the Pakistan Muslim League. It became Indian Muslim League, then it become Pakistan Muslim League. So they celebrated, the Pakistan Muslim League celebrated their victory. Their Pakistan Muslim League celebrated their the date of inception, the date of creation, 1906. So they have maintained, they have in Pakistan Muslim League. So these things is that now at that time the Pakistan Muslim League, now it's called the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, PMLN. Now they think PMLL. So that was the origin. Just imagine the whole party was great party that Nawaz Sharif also enjoyed. Nawaz Sharif also made this name Muslim League, and even then the Musharraf, Reza Musharraf, he named the Pakistan Muslim League Awami, Pakistan Muslim League Awami, all all Muslim League. Then they are also called the Functional Muslim League. They are also put by Functional Muslim League. So you see, there are so many political groups came under the name of Muslim League. So I mean, every person now they use this name of Muslim League. So just see at that time that this was a oh, great political party that leaders, all the leaders, they wanted to make the Muslim League. So, I mean, the Nawaz Sharif was disqualified. So he said, the Pakistan Muslim League was disqualified. So he said, how can you name my name, Pakistan Muslim League Noon, PMLN? How can you scratch my name? मेरा नाम को किस तरह तुम लैदा करोगे पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग नवाज ग्रुप तो आज भी देखो आज भी जो है 9 जनवरी 2020 में पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग नवाज ग्रुप वो चल रहा है पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग नवाज ग्रुप की दुबरा आ चुकी है ये बात नहीं मैं अपने तरफ पार्टी चले था वो अलग बात है वैसे मैं कह रहा हूँ इस पार्टी की पार्टी की कितनी अहमियत थी कि वो पार्टी आज भी 100 साल हो गए हैं उस पार्टी की आज भी जो है ना वो उसको अहमियत देते हैं उसके नाम को अहमियत देते हैं सो दिस वाज द importance of the Indian Muslim League. He was the founder of the Pakistan movement. So this party have goes credited the founder of the Muslim League. So this was party was established in 1906. He made this Pakistan. After that, after creation of Pakistan, it's also have their rights and roots in the people. So, I mean, have anything about the no? I mean, after finishing, I have some few words about the international situation. So, during the international situation is that the Trump, the supporters of the Trump, they have attacked the Capitol Hill on the instigation of Trump. Trump instigated their supporters to have attack on the Capitol Hill, and the 4 or 5 persons was killed during this. This and this battle in this thing in frustration. So it is the period of frustration. The Trump is mostly frustrated man. The Trump is most frustrated man. He made this world in a brink of war. He never compromised with the people. When he came in the power, it also there were many people said that he came with conspiracy. The he came with the help of the Russians. So the American establishment, the international establishment, they weren't supporting the I mean this Trump, but he forcefully accepted and forcefully captured the thing. And now the Congress have certified that Trump is defeated and Joe Biden get the victory. So it is the I mean, it is the very important thing that democracy in America is in danger due to Trump. Joe Biden said that there should be a charge of treason to the Trump. Trump killed the democracy and Trump made this democracy in a danger. So this is a frustrated man. So he not just imagine he in his sanction against Iran is just inhuman. He made sanction against Iran to coronavirus. Due to coronavirus, he never accepted the Iranians and give their right. So and now he said that the Trump said, I will not 20th January, I will go to and take the oath ceremony of Joe Biden. So just see the prestation of Nissan. Then a few words of Pakistani politics. Just see, and during recently, the Hazara communities, they are the Shia, they are the Shia community. They have killed the 11 people were killed ruthlessly in mine. They were working in the mine and killed the people. And these was they demanded from the Imran, the president, please just come मेरे आकर हमें दुख का एहसास दो हमें एहसास लो कि हम पर जुल्म हुआ है कोई लेकिन इमरान खान वो नहीं आया 6 दिन वो लाशें मैयतें लेकर ठंड में 0-8 टेम्परेचर पर कोयटा में वो लाशें लेकर ये बैठे रहे हैं हमें इमरान खान आए हम पर जो है ना मिले अब आएगा तो फिर हम इसे दफनाएंगे ये चीज है कि खुद बोलता हो चीज है कि उसका फर्स्ट था वो कहता है ये मुझे ब्लैकमेल कर रहे हैं जस्ट इमेजिन दी हाउ हेलोनेस हाउ careless is the person. He is a prime minister of Pakistan. The president, the prime minister is the father of the whole nation. सो बजाय कि उस कम्युनिटी को सरपराह सकता, कि माँ बहनों को आ सकता, वो ना भी कहते, वो जाता, ये कह रहे मुझे ब्लैकमेल कर रहे हैं, अंदाजा करो, मुझे ब्लैकमेल कर रहे हैं, पहले तुम दफनाओ उनको, लाशों को, फिर मैं आऊंगा। ये हाल है कोई। ये चीजें जो है ना, कोई ये चीजें कैसे को बना जो मिलते हैं कोई, तो ये है ना, इसका वक्त भी, बुरा वक्त भी आने वाला है। जुल्म की वजह चल सकती है, नाइंसाफी नहीं चल सकती। तो ये नाइंसाफी इसके अंदर है कोई। वो कौन सी अपोजिशन थी, वो कौन उसके जदादे मांग रहे थे, ये कह रहे थे कि हमें आकर दफना दो, हमें सर पर हाथ रख दो, हमें 11 उनमें एक बच्चा था, एक स्टूडेंट था कासम, वो जो है ना अपनी कॉलेज की फीस के लिए वो कान में काम करता था, कॉलेज की फीस देने के लिए वो कान में काम करता था। उस बेचारे को उन्होंने जिबा कर दिया, शहीद कर दिया। कोई अंदाजा करो कितना बड़ा जुल्म है, कितनी चीजें है, कोई खुदा चाहिए उसे कोई। ये चीज जो है ना कि ये जो है ना कि वो ये चीजें जो है ना इंसानियत की जो है ना बात होती है, कोई सस्ता अपनी जगह होती है, कोई इंसान अपनी जगह होती है, कोई इसलिए इंसानियत होनी चाहिए। कोई हुक्मरानों का काम है कि ज्यादा इंसान हो, ज्यादा ईमान हो, कोई ये सब कुछ शासक कर रहा है, कोई इसलिए शासक कर रहा है, वो समझ रहे कि मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तो दुनिया जान मर जाए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। कोई वो कुत्तों से खेल रहा है, जस्ट इमेजिन, कुत्तों से खेल रहा है बनी गाला में, और उसके बाद वक्त नहीं कि वो 11 बंदे मार दिए, उनको जाकर उन्हें दिलासा दे दे, सर पर हाथ रख दे, तुम पर जुल्म हुआ है, ज्यादती है। ये कौन सी इंसानियत है, कौन सा इस्लामपन है। कुत्तों से खेल रहा है, फखर से फोटो शेयर कर रहा है, फखर से दुनिया बता रहा है मुझे कोई टेंशन नहीं है, मैं कुत्तों से खेल रहा हूँ। तो ये है, ये जो है अल्लाह ताला ने सही कहा है कि जब जुल्म जब बढ़ता है, फिर जैसे हुक्मरान हो, जैसे अवाम हो, ऐसा ही हाकम सब पर आ जाता है। ये है कि अल्लाह ताला इस बंदे ने याद ले, हमारी पेंशन खत्म करने के पीछे पड़ा हुआ है, सबसे बड़ी टेंशन हो गई है, 10 महीने हो गए हमें पेंशन नहीं मिल रही, है कोई मसला लटका हुआ है, कह रहे पेंशन खत्म कर दो, पेंशन खत्म कर दो, ग्रेजुटी खत्म कर दो। ये कह रहा है इमरान, IMF, वर्ल्ड बैंक के कहने पर ये कर रहा है, खुद जनाब 100 कनाल की बनी गाला की कोठी में रह रहा है, और इसके जनाब अरबोपति रोज के दाएं पे करने पर है। क्या साहस है ऐसे, क्या चीज कर रहा है कोई, मैं तनहा के पीछे पड़ा हुआ है, मेरी पेंशन के पीछे पड़ा हुआ है। पिछले साल भी तनहा नहीं पढ़ाई इसने, इस साल भी मुंह कह रहे मैं तनहा नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा, पेंशन खत्म कर रहा है कोई। ये वाला दिल जो है ना, कहते हैं दिल जले, दिल लगी होती है, फिर दिल जले। ये है कि इसके जलने से है कोई। तो बात चल रही थी इंडियन मुस्लिम लीग की, तो ये ऐसी पार्टियां में होती हैं, इन पार्टियों में लोग जो है कदर करते हैं, जो पार्टियां जो होती हैं वहाँ की बुला करती हैं, ये वहाँ की फलाह के लिए काम करती हैं, मुल्क को तरक्की देती हैं, तो बावजूद गैरों से जाति के खिलाफ है लीग से, क्योंकि उसका जो रोल है वो एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ। उन्होंने किस मुश्किल हालात में स्ट्रगल की, कायदे स्ट्रगल की, और पाकिस्तान को बनाया। Any question? तुम्हारी तारीफ जो है ना वो काफ़ी होती है कोई, सब मुझे और हौसला जो है बढ़ता है कोई। तो मतलब यही है कि तुम्हारी और मेरी एज में इतना फ़र्क है नहीं कि, तो मेरी कोशिश होती है कि अच्छे अच्छा जो है लेक्चर तुम्हें दूँ, वट एवर आई है गॉट नॉलेज आई शुड इंकटेट दिस नॉलेज टू यू। मैं बाकी अल्लाह जानता है, अल्लाह की मदद काफ़ी होती है कोई। अल्लाह तुम लोगों को भी खुश रखे और इल्म को हासिल करने का जज्बा कायम रहे कोई।